Okay, so today we have a weird type of plum. So this was sold as a Plumogranate or Plumogranate at the store, and I'm not sure if it's a plum that tastes like a pomegranate or if this is some type of stone fruit hybrid that happens to taste like a pomegranate. But I'm gonna take this opportunity to talk about stone fruit hybrids because there are a lot. So let me pull up my notes here, and
Jesus.
there's a lot. Your eyes are probably gonna glaze over as I start listing these off. So there's something called a Plumcot, also known as Apriplum, and that is a plum crossed with an apricot. And then going down the list, we have a Plucot, which is again a plum and an apricot. There's Pluots, Apriplums, Color-cots, and so a Color-cot is a apricot and a plum, where the apricot's genetics are more dominant. And you'll see that in stone fruit varieties where the flavor will be different based on like the ratio of the genetics, and in some cases you'll have hybrids of hybrids. Going down the list again, Peacharines, Nectarcot, Nectaplum, Peachcot, Cherrycot, which is a cherry and an apricot, Pluerry, which is a plum and a cherry, Nectapie, which is a nectarine and a donut peach.
That sounds so cute.
Yeah. Peacotum, which is a peach, an apricot, and a plum. I'm not sure in which ways they are crossed, but like those are the dominant forces in the genetics there. And then so when I was researching this, the best I could find on Plumogranate or Plumogranate was that it might be some kind of black Plumcot. And so there's a few names of individuals that jumped out when I was researching these. Someone named Luther Burbank was an early hybrid experimenter in creating some of the first generation hybrids for these. And then another man named Floyd Zeiger has created apparently hundreds of stone fruit varieties, and some of them are available from nurseries, and some of them you will see in the store now because they've become so popular. But some of them you might have to go to like farmers markets and stuff to find.
You have to go to the fancy people stores.
Yeah. So, this is a Plumogranate. It apparently tastes like a pomegranate, so we're gonna find out.
Which one do you want?
That one.
Why do I do this? Every time I ask, I'm going to get the same answer. I shouldn't be surprised, but I am every time.
And I will include that list that I rattled off in the description if you're interested in researching it a little bit more, because my eyes glaze over just reading it off. It's just a madness and chaos of different fruit genetics. So that's what it looks like up close. They have different kind of colorations.
It's sweet.
Yeah,
Mine's rarer than yours.
it is. So I wonder if the flavors
Find out. We can switch. But I demand this back.
I've got some darker. So I think because on the top it was lighter, so you have a gradation in the flavor development. So on the top it was more yellow, and then on the inside you can see that there's a gradation of it.
More clearly, mine's just deliciously dark.
I'm getting a lot of plum from this.
Yeah. See, like when we did the original stone fruit video, like this is what I wanted my black plum to taste like.
Mm-hmm.
Like not as sweet, but
Yeah.
so good.
So I'm wondering if this is. I'm just shot in the dark, but I'm wondering if this is nectarine and a plum.
Didn't your note say like pomegranate / black plumcot? So it's a black plum and an apricot.
So, if this is a type of Plumcot, then a Plumcot is a plum and an apricot.
Mm-hmm. Just like the name implies.
Which would make sense because it has some of that yellow. I am getting juices all over me.
That's why I kept the paper towel.
But what I was going to say is, I'm not sure that it's like I'm getting like a pomegranate taste from this. Does yours taste like a pomegranate?
Mine's just sweeter.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's just a sweeter black plum. And I'm gonna agree with it.
It's very good. I'm enjoying it. I am getting very
Juicy.
yeah, but this is very good.
Oh my, the pit's so tiny.
Yeah, I was gonna say, where's the pit?
I was afraid I was gonna break my mouth on the pit, but it's so tiny I don't have to worry about anything.
Maybe on the ones that are much darker, it has that pomegranate-esque taste. Because our friend said that hers did taste like a pomegranate when she got it. Right?
She said that the softer ones, the softer ones are gonna taste sweeter, and then the darker ones are gonna taste, or not the darker ones, but the firmer ones are gonna taste more like plum.
Yeah.
So it kind of just depends on like
Because
what you're eating,
how ripe it is, yeah.
when those sugars develop.
Yeah. So that's just a little introduction to stone fruit hybrids. There's a lot. Apparently, from what I was reading, you can hybridize stone fruits very easily. And some of them have occurred naturally in the wild. It's really interesting to...
They exist to spite mother.